So the Tundra got a boo-boo. The tail light broke. So what happened was I was hauling a desk, and it's been a while, so I don't remember exactly what happened, but I remember like I was only taking it a couple blocks, so I didn't tie it down. I think I put a bungee on it, but the bungee came loose or snapped, and the desk like flew back and bow, busted out the tail light. Luckily, there wasn't any other damage to the bedside. So I'm gonna have to replace these tail lights. And for the replacement, that's the wrong box, I got these smoked tail lights. This is for the other side. So since they're smoked, I'm gonna put them on the other side too to match. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's an easy job. So looking at the assembly here, we got a bolt there, and then just 2 rivets that pop in. So I'm guessing it's just these 2 bolts right here that we take out. Boom, and boom. So yeah, they were super easy to pop out with a Torx wrench. These things actually had these little plastic pieces. One of mine was broke. I don't know if I broke it ripping it out. But they had this little plastic piece that went on it. I'll try to find the other one and drop down here somewhere. And then gotta unplug the lights. And then figure out how to get them in the new one. So to take these out is super easy. You just twist it out. Boom. This is a super easy job, guys. And there's a cable router right here. And a cable router right here. And we're free. So one thing I noticed off the rip, between the OEM and the aftermarket one, is these have this little thing that pops off. And then the aftermarket one has black ones. But yeah, they pop off too. They don't have the foam inside, but it's just a rubber cap as well. All right, there she is. That was a super easy job. Took me maybe like 5 minutes tops. And I think it's an upgrade. I think it looks pretty sweet. It's my daughter. So for this other side, I just used a little pick tool, put it back here, and help pop it out so it didn't break. There's not one on the bottom. There's like a black piece that's like more secure to the frame. I didn't even check that on the other side. I think it's still there though. But yeah, this one didn't break. Again, super easy job. Just undo those 2 bolts. Okay, one thing I noticed when I did the passenger side, the second one, is there's these little O-rings that go on the lights where they pop into the housing. So I'm sure that keeps moisture out. These were stuck on the old light, the one that was broken. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that one back out and replace it, but looking sweet. I love it. All right, here's the installed product. Okay, go ahead, yeah.
I'm hitting it.
Yep, I see it. Turn the lights by the steering wheel.